Hey guys, I am the math professor, Kyle Martin. In this video, we're going to solve multi-step equations. All right, so in this first one, you might notice these parentheses with a number that's being multiplied on the outside of them. That's called distributing. We need to distribute that 2 through those parentheses. All right, it's like multiplying to all the terms that are on the inside. Remember, terms are separated by addition and subtraction signs. So here on the inside, I have 2 terms because they're separated by this subtraction sign. All right, what is 2 times 3x? 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. All right, and then I can bring down the other side. Notice that that 2 doesn't get applied to the 16, only to what's inside the parentheses next to it. All right, that's going to be important. All right, then this turns into a 2-step equation like we had the other day, where I'm going to add 8 to both sides. The 8's cancel, leave me with 6x equals 16 plus 8 is 24, and if I divide both sides by 6, x equals 4. Right, like all these equations, you can plug the 4 back in and see if it works. If I plug it back into the original red problem, the 4 would go here. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 times 2 then would be 16. Since that's true, we know we did it right. All right, what about number 2? Number 2 says 4 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 4. Again, I need to distribute my 2 through. All right, so this will leave me with 4 on the left side. And then 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 again. And like the last one, I need to move the 8 over by adding it. Trying to move things away from my x term. Okay, what that does for me is it cancels the 8's on the right side. On the left side, 4 plus 8 is 12. And then 2x, or equals 2x, divide both sides by 2 to get the x isolated. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we get 6 equals x. All right. The last one, a little bit trickier. This one says 4x plus 6, all divided by 2, equals 11. We had one like this in our 2-step equations where I said anything that's all being divided by a certain number can be put into parentheses. That's important because that means I need to move the bottom first. All right, so I'm going to actually move this bottom by multiplying this whole side by 2 and this whole side by 2. This multiplication and this division will cancel. Leave me with 4x plus 6 equals 22. All right, and then I'm trying to move things away from my x term. So I have this 6 that's farther away. Move it over by subtracting. Then 4x equals 22 minus 6 is 16. 4 times x, so we need to divide by 4. And that gives me x equals 16 divided by 4 is 4. Let's check it one more time, see if we did it right. Put the 4 back in. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 6 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is, in fact, 11.